Cyan will get her share, of course.
Lucky
Careful,
one.
Baba. Hold it.
Is it good?
Mm.
Everything in it.
Yum yum.
A pizza.
Yum yum, Cyan.
Good day and welcome to Cyan Chester Parrots YouTube channel.
So, buddies, we are having Sukiyaki tonight. What's Sukiyaki in English, Yum?
Sukiyaki, same.
It's the same?
Yeah.
So it's all good. So when you go to the restaurants, like especially Japanese restaurants, so this is Sukiyaki. The ingredients, guys, is just like thinly cut pork. Then we got tofu.
Yep.
Then
Shirataki noodle.
then
Bok choy.
choy, spinach,
And spring onions.
yeah, we got spring onions there,
Some
buddies.
onions.
And some onions, yeah. Then
And the shiitake mushroom.
shiitake mushroom, so that's a dried mushroom, and just soak it with water.
You can use more.
Yeah. And we got extra egg. We got one egg in each of our bowls. And that's the sauces there. And we also got sugar. Yeah. So enjoy, guys, as much as we will be enjoying this one. And of course, Baba Cyan will be joining with us tonight. And she will be having her share of Sukiyaki. You right, Baba? Look at that. There we go. Alright, guys. Let's get the Sukiyaki rolling. Yep, for oil. Is that olive oil, Yum?
No, this is peanut oil.
Ah, peanut oil. Yeah, we use peanut oil. Yep. So we just waited for it to get hot. Yan, look, see it? Can't wait, hey? Baba? You can't wait? Yeah, look.
She doesn't worry about the fluff in my head, does she?
Nah, she doesn't worry.
Probably because it's hot now.
Yep. So after the oil, buddies, we put in the thinly sliced pork. So it's so simple, easy.
Yeah, exactly.
It's very easy, yeah. So it just needs the preparation. Yeah, just cutting and yeah, well done, Dwayne. Oh, so that's why it should be thin, Yum, hey?
Yeah.
But there's a song Sukiyaki. There's a song
Yeah,
Sukiyaki.
you know it. Yeah, I don't know why they call Sukiyaki the song, but nothing to do with the food. Actually, I don't think. Song was kind of very, very that was a big hit. But the singer.
So the meat is so thin, guys, so it's easily cooked. Not even 5 minutes.
Some sake.
Yeah, sake. Yeah. Sugar. Yeah. 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 Soy sauce. After the mushroom, the mushroom. Go. Yep. Then
Yeah, this gives a little taste. Maybe cook a little bit.
yeah. Well, like, how many minutes you?
Maybe just maybe.
Simmer?
Maybe, yeah, just 3
Simmer.
minutes even. 3 minutes. Cover, you know.
Just put the cover guys and let it simmer.
Few minutes later.
Yep. So after like a minute or two guys. Kaki noodles. Yep. Yeah, this is my first time to eat sukiyaki. Thanks, Yumi. Looks interesting. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Look at that, guys. It's easy. Yeah. Put the vegetable on the side. Yeah.
For, you know, about 10 minutes.
Yep.
Basically just enough.
So do you need to cover it, Yum, or not? Yep. So when you cover, then it would take about 10 minutes.
Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. There you go. So while waiting, yeah, the egg.
And this is your dipping sauce.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. This is your dipping sauce.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
A few minutes later.
Let
me have the thing.
Put into the egg. It's have to be quite rich, the sauces, but this vegetable and the tofu will kind of thin down a lot.
So after 5 minutes, guys, you have to check it. And yeah, you don't have to put any water, so you just let the sauce do the cooking, and the veggies will make it more liquidy.
Yeah.
Is it liquidy?
Yeah. Another maybe 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah. So cover it again.
Oh,
Few minutes later.
So it's about ready.
yeah.
Look at that. So you'll do the first one, Yum. Yeah. So yeah.
Just, you know, pick it
So
up.
just a bowl with the egg, guys, hey?
Just pick it up.
Pick
When
it
you
up.
want it, just put it in.
Yeah.
As soon as you want it.
Yeah.
All the vegetables are kind of like they become more thin. And you just dip into the egg.
Look how easy, guys.
Alright,
That's it?
Yeah.
Alright, that's sukiyaki, guys.
Alright.
Hold on, yep.
Marcia wanted.
Yep. Yeah, that one.
Give the one, give her the one, you know, doesn't have so much sauce in it.
Yep. So get the noodles first, guys. Then this one. Then the meat. Then a little bit of tofu. Then the spinach. This is my share. There you go. Okay. Good. Bon appetit.
It's all taken already.
Yeah. And Cyan will get her share, of course. Careful, Bubba. Hold it.
Is it good?
Mm.
You're putting in it.
Yum yum.
A pizza.
Yum yum, Cyan. Yeah, she likes it. Wow, look at Cyan's big grinding. Oh my god, just loving it. So nice, Baba. Nice, nice, eh? Yum, yum. This is what's left, guys. Oh, it was really, really good. And you can, oh, by the way, mix it with rice as well. And Cyan had her like probably four bit sizes. Yeah, she had too much. And yeah, before we end this video, guys, big shout out to all the buddies. Dwayne Malyare, Tata Boy Chavez, Lacocherong Bolano, Fat Boy TV, J Travelog. Bye.
Bye.